Hello everyone, I'm Eamon Jahid, Program Manager at NIC Faisalabad, and today I will help you fill the application form for Cohort 6. So log into the website, which is www.nicfaisalabad.com. On the landing page, you will see a button which says Apply Here. So click on Apply Here. You will directly go to the form, but you can see some information mentioned about NIC Faisalabad. So you can go through this information. So you can check the eligibility criteria, which says that your startup must have an innovative or a unique idea with a scalable business model. Your idea, MVP or prototype should be ready and it should be a marketable product or service. And the founding members should be able to commit to the entire program calendar. Moving on to the application form, write your startup name. So startup name is the name of your startup. And then write your own name as well, which is the founder name. Mention your gender, your contact details, and the innovation vertical, which could be EdTech, FinTech, HealthTech, in whichever domain you're working. Then select your startup stage. So we have two startup stages. One is the idea or the early stage, and then the other one is the growth stage. So if you're a startup who is still trying to validate their idea, you categorize as the ideation or the early stage startup. And if you have already launched or are near to launch your startup, you qualify as the growth stage startup. So I'll quickly explain the questions that we've asked for an ideation or an early stage startup. Please mention your year of establishment. आपने कब काम करना start किया? आप किस शहर से काम कर रहे हैं? Your core technology. So if, for example, you're an EdTech startup and you say that I'm using AI. So AI is your core technology, or if you're an agri-tech startup, the use of precision farming could be an example of your core technology. Startup online presence. So if you have your social mediums established, please mention them. Briefly describe your idea. So what are you doing or what is the problem that you're trying to solve? Who is your target customer? So target customer is a specific person जिसके लिए आपने अपना प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस बनाई है. So for example, I say कि मेरा एक edtech platform है and that is relevant for a student who studies in a college. So that would be my target customer. Then is competition. So other edtech platforms who are doing something what I'm doing qualify as my competition, mention their names. Then is the target market. So I'll quickly explain the difference between a target customer and a target market. So customer is one specific person or user of your product or service. Target market is an entire market, bunch of people or organizations जिनको आपके प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस की ज़रूरत है. So like I mentioned before, one specific student using my edtech platform is my customer, but number of colleges using my platform qualify as my target market. Mention if you're making any revenues, mention the details of your team members. If you've already launched your startup, if you've received your funding, please mention that as well. And then attach a pitch link. So in an elevator pitch, explain what your startup is doing and how does the founding team looks like. आपकी pitch link जो है हमें YouTube के ऊपर भी upload करके दे सकते हैं. Otherwise, you can upload this video on a Google Drive and share the link for that. Please mention the kind of support that you're looking forward from NIC Faisalabad. Any supporting documents that you have and you want to attach. So supporting documents could be your pitch deck or it could even be your business plan. If it's ready, please attach that for us. And please do mention that where did you hear about NIC Faisalabad. So this was a brief explanation on how to fill your form for an ideation startup. Now I will explain how to fill this form, the same form if you were a growth stage startup. Some of the questions are same, so I'll only explain the questions that are different for the growth stage. So describe your product and service in detail. So whatever features your product or service have, उनको please ज़रूर mention कीजिएगा in overview of what your business is currently doing and what you want to do in the future. Please mention that along with any unique selling proposition that you have. I'll quickly explain what CSE is and what CLTV is. So if you're a growth stage business, you probably will already be having your revenues. आप revenue कमा रहे होंगे and उसमें फिर आपकी एक customer acquisition cost होगी. How much does it cost for you to bring in a customer is your customer acquisition cost. So let's सपोज आई से कि मेरा एक एडटेक स्टार्टअप है और उसमें एक कस्टमर को एक्वायर करने के लिए मेरे $10 खर्च होते हैं, सो दैट इज़ माई CAC. एंड how much money can I make on average from this customer is my CLTV, that is the customer lifetime value. If you're able to calculate that, please mention that as well. And an additional question for growth stage startup is the revenue stream. So आपकी revenue stream, it could be through direct sales, it could be through licensing, it could be through franchising, or it could be through subscriptions. So please mention your revenue streams as well. And the rest of the questions are the same as explained for the ideation stage startup. Once you have filled in your application, please do not forget to press the submit button so that we receive your application. If you want your application to stand out, or if you want us to be in a better position to assess the scalability and the potential of your startups, it is very important to provide us as much information as you can. Thank you so much. And please fill your applications properly. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us over the social media and we would be happy to answer any questions that you have.